What's going on, everybody? My name is Zay. This is a 2-Minute Tuesday. In this 2-Minute Tuesday, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about lighting in 90 seconds. Here we go. A key lighting setup is 3-point lighting setup. In a 3-point lighting setup, there is a key light, a fill light, and a backlight. The key light is your main light source. The key light is your main light. It's usually the brightest and the place like at an angle like 45 degrees from your subject. The fill light, however, is on the opposite side of the key light. Fill light is just to fill in the shadows. See, my fill light is over here, and well, as you just see, my fill light went out and went back in. That kind of gave you an idea what the fill light just did. That's what I was gonna do, but it did it by itself. The backlight is positioned behind the subject to separate them from the background, adding some depth to your image, i.e. my backlight. There's different types of lighting. You got natural light and you got artificial light. Artificial light is basically everything you see here. You got my fill light on this side, my key light over here on the right side, or your right, my left, whatever it is, you know what I mean? Anyway, and then you got the backlight, artificial. Natural light would be sunlight. Some lighting techniques are high key lighting and low key lighting. High key lighting is bright, even lighting with minimum shadows. Some examples would be comedies, upbeat scenes, you'll see that. Low key lighting would be basically the opposite of that. You have a lot of shadows, a lot of silhouettes. You'll see that in the Batman, you'll see that in all kind of movies like that. Now, there's different types of light, meaning temperature, and that's measured in Kelvin. You have warm light and you have cool light. Warm light sits in around 2000 to 3500 Kelvin. Cool light, which is also referred to as daylight, is 5000 to 6500 Kelvin. Like, you have hard light and you have soft light. Soft light is really diffuse lighting, and think about overcast on a cloudy day, right? You can't really see your shadows, things like that. Hard lighting is the complete opposite of that. So think about a sunny day, how you can see your shadow very clearly. Finally, you have practical lights. Practical lights are things that people place on set to be lighting sources that will fit naturally into the scene, i.e. lamps, TVs, things like that. That would be your practical lights. To conclude, it is very key to remember that lighting shapes your audience's emotional responses and guides their focus, making it a very powerful tool in storytelling. Thank you for watching this 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm out.